Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I mean, we definitely had a very bearish month. Technically, on the monthly, it really hasn't really broken or made an engulfing move to the downside yet. Most other dollar pairs do look like they are in the middle of a pretty significant move down, so this one likely will do the same. I was thinking that maybe this was actually an A and this was actually a B, and then we're going to go down for a C, but this is going to be a running pattern, meaning that it probably will make a higher low, and still end up continuing back up like we were originally thinking. So going down to the weekly time frame. So even on the weekly time frame, I would still consider the trend up because we have not been able to break and hold below structure. So once it does break, or if it does break, then we'll take our Fibonacci retracement and put it on here, and we'll look for areas of resistance once that does break down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move down is definitely a trend. So I would say that it is either an A or a 1, and I don't really care whether it's an A or a 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A as it would be for a wave 1, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames, at least until we get a break of structure to the upside, telling us that we're now in a wave B or a wave 2, which a wave B or wave 2 would be a crescent to the wave A or wave 1. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down. This is the structure level right here that tells me that the wave A or 1 that I was talking about on the daily time frame is complete. So until it actually breaks this structure right here, the trend is down. Still valid A or 1, and there's really no reason to say that this may not just keep on trending down. The trend is your friend, and the trend is down, and there's really nothing to say that it may not just keep on trending down. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now it definitely looks like impulsive up. So it definitely looks impulsive up. Looks like it could be corrective down. So there probably is a pretty good chance that it is going to pop up again. The question is it going to pop up to a Fibonacci level and then make an engulfing move down and just keep on trending down, forming an A, a B, and a C? Or is it going to make a nice impulsive move up and break that 4 hour structure level that we've been waiting for? If it does decide to go up and break that 4 hour structure level, then that definitely will turn me into a buyer because that will tell me that the wave A or wave 1 on the daily time frame is complete. But until this happens, or if it even does happen, I am definitely still looking at every move to the upside I see on these sort of time frames as nothing more than a possible ABC correction to the downtrend, which means I'm definitely still looking for shorts on these sort of time frames until I get that roadmap break of structure to the upside, preferably on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.